Hey there, it's Sebastian here, Candle Business Pro. So you're thinking about our candle making course, but you're not quite sure if it's a good fit for you. I wanted to create this video so that you can make an informed decision on whether or not our course is going to be the right fit for your candle making journey. So whether or not you're making candles as a hobby, you want to make Christmas gifts, you want to give them to loved ones, or you want to go full time like we have, I think this is going to be a good fit. But let me break down the modules that are inside of this course. So we break this course into 4 different modules. Now, module 1 is going to be that getting started, what supplies to use, all the candle math. We actually give you our spreadsheet formula so that you can plug in your numbers. So for instance, you want to make 10 of this candle. How much wax, how much oil do you need for that? We make it super simple. We just give you the spreadsheet that we actually use right here in our shops as well. So then we move on to still in module 1, talking about the art of wicking. Wicking is the hardest part of candle making for the majority of people. Understanding why to choose this wick with this wax, oil, and vessel combination can be very, very tricky. But once you have it, that understanding, it's super simple moving forward. We teach you about all of that inside of this course so that you do not get caught up with buying all different kinds of wicks. We help you understand why a wick acts the way it does so that you know exactly how to make those adjustments. So we talk about the art of wicking. Then we're going to move into module 2. Module 2 is the making of candles. That's the fun. I say module 1 is the boring module. Module 2 is the fun one. So that's where we're actually making the candles. We're actually going to give you 5 of our top selling recipes, including this recipe here, our Hello Sunshine. It is our #1 selling candle since day one. Every year, almost every month, this is time and time again our best selling candle. And we will give you the exact formula of how to make this candle along with 5 of our other top selling candles as well. So that we are selling in the store today, not just some random recipes that we have discarded. They are what we are selling today on our website and in our stores. So that's module 2 is the making of candles. Module 3 is the testing, making sure that this burns perfect, making sure that it's not going to be a hazard or a safety or a liability, that it won't catch on fire, that it won't explode, and that also it won't tunnel where it's not burning all your wax and wasting. So that is all about, are all covered in module 3, doing the burn testing and understanding the results so that you can make the proper adjustments. Then we wrap up in module 4, talking about some of the sales channels that you can go down. We also talk about branding. However, we also talk about back in module 1 about your target audience in your niche. That is crucial when you want to start a business. You want to know, who am I making this candle for? And so that you can make a candle that they're going to buy. So many people will make a candle and then they don't know who to sell it to. Think about who you're going to sell it to first, and then make a candle that they want, and they're going to want to come back and buy from you over and over again. So that's one of the things that we also talk about that I didn't mention, but that is back in module 1. Now, what's one of the things that separates our course from probably any of the other courses out there is we're going to go on this journey with you. At the end of every module, there's an assignment. Let's just consider it homework. So you're going to do this homework assignment if you choose. You don't have to, but I certainly hope that you do. You're going to submit that to us, and myself or Chad is going to review it and give it back to you and give you some feedback on what you have done. Especially that's crucial when you get into the testing. So whenever you're testing those candles and you're not sure, hey, is this the right wick? Is this not the right wick? We're there to support you the whole journey. With our course, you have lifetime access. So you have lifetime access to the materials in the course. Also, any updates that we do to the course, you will have all of those updates as well. And you're going to have access to me and Chad throughout this course. And anytime you have any troubleshooting issues as it pertains to the materials covered in the course. So a little bit more about us. We just crossed over 3 years of having our brand, Garza Beacon Candle Company. We've now opened 3 stores. We have 139 wholesale accounts. You don't have to do any of that. Again, you can do this as a hobby. You can just make solid candles. You can just go down the wholesale route. A lot of our students that have come through our course have just gone the wholesale route where they can make candles on their own time, and then they can adjust their business as they choose. One other thing inside of this course is we are going to give you labels. So we are going to give you a collection of labels that you can start with by putting your branding, your logo, your images on so that you can start selling these right away if you choose. So hopefully this has answered a lot of questions you may have about our course. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to reach out to us. You should be able to use the contact form here, reach out, comment, whatever you'd like to do. Get in touch with us and we'll certainly help you out on your journey. Thank you so much for your time. Have a great day.